view.
We've got the black peaty water as well, which is quite fascinating.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it's a lovely village here as well. The church was fantastic. Not being in the church, but from the outside, you can see the church in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First time I've been here. First time you've been here?
Yeah.
And Boo's quite decidedly fed up. Still on the lead. And then we drove over to Aysgarth Falls.
Yeah.
Even if you've forgotten.
Yes, I can't remember which way round, we did everything now.
Aysgarth Falls was great, except I ran out of battery on the camera, so I had to use the phone for the rest of the footage.
Yeah, but there's lots of waterfalls there.
We didn't actually realise that, did we?
No, not until we got from the main one by the side of the road, the big one, and then you go up the path towards the visitor centre.
That's the top falls.
And then you get this...
There's two others, middle and lower falls.
There.
Middle and lower falls. It's a good little walk. I mean, it'll take you about 40 minutes, something like that, to walk around. By the time you've actually stopped and taken pictures, probably more like an hour and a half. But yeah, Aysgarth Falls, thoroughly enjoyed that as well. And then we went over to Helmsley to see Rick and Kate.
Yeah.
My brother-in-law and sister. Wish them Happy New Year. Yeah, if you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and comment away. It'd be interesting to find out what your thoughts are. Until next time.